Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to contact customer support on SHEIN. So if you also want to contact customer support on SHEIN, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon SHEIN application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the shop interface. From here, you'll be able to shop the items. You'll be able to find the items for women, men and kids. You'll be able to find wide variety of items over here. So if you want to contact the customer support for some reason, it is very simple. I'll suggest you the easiest way to do so. For that, what you have to do is first of all tap on any product. You can tap on any product of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular product will be opened. In this interface, if you look at top right, you'll be able to find several icons over here. You'll be able to find the icon for cart, share and three dots. All you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you'll be able to find four options: home, wish list, recently viewed and support. In order to contact the customer support, all you have to do is tap on the support option that you can see at last. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the customer support interface of SHEIN. From here you'll be able to contact the SHEIN customer support. You'll also be able to see the hot questions over here. If you tap on the question, you can see over here you'll get the answer in response. You can also ask the question manually. Simply tap on the message box that you can see at the bottom. Now simply type in your message. After you type in the message, simply tap on the send icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll get immediate response. Like this, you'll be able to chat with the customer support. So that is how you contact customer support on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.